DTF-6004 Flex printer and shaker. Gluing and powder shaking 2 in 1 inch. Software operation. Add the print file. Click Edit. Check Collage, set parameters. Then click Save. Click Print. Switch between powder, no powder printing modes as needed. Comparison of gluing versus powder shaking results. Gluing delivers a smooth, wrinkle-free finish that lays flat on the fabric, ideal for garments where texture and feel matter. Powder shaking printing results in a slightly rough surface with minor wrinkles, creating an orange peel-like texture. The overall finish is thicker and more substantial. Dual heat oven and dual air purifier. Fast drying. Ideal for large volume production, delivering high quality, efficient, and eco-friendly fabric printing.